Good morning to all of you. The today's topic is there. First of all, that we are going to do, that is solubility of noble gases, in water. What is it? Solubility of the noble gases in the water. So whenever we are talking about the solubility of noble gases in water, usually we are saying that noble gases are slightly soluble in the water. What we are saying, that they are slightly soluble in the water, and down the group their solubility increases. What is the reason behind it, beta? Now I will tell you. Let's see, all of you, please, very carefully. Let it be, this is a noble gas, and this is the water molecule. And everybody is knowing one thing, that water is a polar, okay, but noble gas is non-polar. As I told you in the class, that this polar molecule will induce somewhat of polarity in this non-polar molecule. Means like this, okay, there is slightly positive charge and there is slightly negative charge. Means there is a distortion of the noble gases, okay, and what will come? Polarity will come into that, and this is called induced dipole. यहाँ पर क्या है इसके पास? Okay, this one is having a dipole. What is it? Dipole. And this one is having a, just you see, all of you, and this molecule is having a induced dipole. What is it? Induced dipole. I am writing over there, you must see there, induced dipole. And whenever there is a interaction, see, there is a forces of interaction between these molecules. So these forces are called, what these forces are called? Dipole induced dipole. These forces are called dipole. ये dipole है, and dipole ने इसमें dipole induce कर दिया. These forces are called dipole induced dipole forces. Clear? So due to this reason only, noble gases are soluble in the water. Clear? But as we move down the group, as we move down the group, size increases. What is going to happening there? Size is increases, and due to the increase in size, what will happen there? Distortion of noble gases becomes easy. Distortion of noble gases becomes very easy. Is that clear? Becomes easy. And due to this reason only, magnitude of what? Beta, magnitude of dipole induced dipole forces increases. Dipole induced dipole forces are increases. Okay, that is why what we will say? We'll say solubility of noble gases down the group in the water is increases always. Okay, thank you very much to all of you. Thank you.